Go to Corporate Actions list. Select Buyback Entry. Click on Add button. Click on Broker. Select the broker. Click OK. Enter the settlement and bill number. Click on Demat. Select the Demat name. Click OK. Click on Consultant. Select the consultant. Click OK. Click on Script name. Select the script name. Click OK. Select the date. Enter the rate. Enter the quantity. Kindly do the bank entries and save the data. Kindly do the bank entry and save the data. Go to Reports list, select Equity Derivatives Gain, Loss, select STLT Speculation. Click on Select Script. Select the script. Click OK. Check your capital gain loss equity form. Go to Report. Select Financial Ledger. Select Account Ledger. Click on Only Selected Account. Select the account. Click OK. Click OK again. And after that you will get your results. Kindly contact our support team for further assistance.